Welcome, dear soul. Find a comfortable position, either sitting with your spine tall or lying down with your body supported. Close your eyelids down all the way down. And take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh out through your mouth. And take another deep breath in through your nose. Sigh it out through your mouth. And one final time, taking a deep breath in through your nose. Sigh it out through your mouth. And with every breath, allow yourself to arrive more fully here in this moment. This is your time, the sacred pause for alignment, healing, and abundance. And feel your body resting gently. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine or the soles of your feet. Imagine roots extending from you deep into the earth, strong and steady. And with each inhale, feel the earth supporting you. And with each exhale, release tension, fear, or worry into the ground. And quietly whisper inwardly and inside of yourself, I am safe, I am grounded, I belong here. And now we will journey gently through each chakra, balancing and harmonizing your energy. And so focusing at the base of your spine, visualize a glowing red light at the base of your spine and see it spinning smoothly, radiating stability, and feel safety and strength anchoring you. And as it's spinning, quietly ask yourself, wouldn't it be nice to know that I am supported in every step I take? And now bringing your attention to the lower belly, just below the navel. A warm orange light glows here. And feel creativity, pleasure and flow awakening as this chakra is spinning, opening. And say quietly to yourself again, wouldn't it be good to know that joy and creativity move through me with ease? And now, focusing on your solar plexus, so just above the navel, just below the breastbone, see a golden yellow light shining brightly in your core, and feel confidence and personal power rising. Seeing that chakra spinning brightly in this beautiful bright yellow color. And again, ask yourself inwardly, wouldn't it be nice to know that I am strong, capable, and radiant in all that I do? And bringing your focus to the center of your chest, a green light glows in your heart space. Feel it expand with compassion, forgiveness, and love as it spins this beautiful green light. And ask yourself, wouldn't it be good to know that love surrounds me, love fills me, and love flows from me freely? A blue light now shines at your throat, and as this chakra spins in this beautiful blue light, feel your truth opening. Your voice is now clear and strong. People hear you and people understand you. And then ask yourself, wouldn't it be nice to know that my words are valuable and I speak with grace and clarity? And focusing the space between your brows, see a beautiful indigo light glowing there at your third eye. Feel your intuition awakening as this chakra is spinning, and trust in your inner knowing. And as this chakra is spinning, ask yourself, wouldn't it be good to know that my wisdom guides me clearly every single day? And focusing at the top of your head, a violet white light shines at the crown of your head, connecting you to divine guidance and infinite support. And see that spinning and opening. And as it does so, you feel yourself connected to Source, to all that is, because we are all connected. And again, silently ask yourself, wouldn't it be nice to know that I am always connected, guided, and aligned with the highest good? And now, imagine all these 7 chakras, all the lights glowing together, creating a rainbow of energy along your spine. And feel the light expand around your body, forming a radiant aura of harmony and abundance. And see yourself stepping into your highest self, confident, joy, and totally aligned. And imagine opportunities flowing toward you. Feel that gratitude for all of the blessings already present in your life and those on their way. And whisper inwardly, aligned action brings aligned results. Abundance flows to me with ease. And as you slowly bringing closure to this, allowing every chakra to be beautiful and clear and open, I want you to take a final breath, allowing this energy to settle into every single cell in your being, and then slowly become aware of where you are resting. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes, bringing full awareness back to your body. And when you are ready, open your eyes gently. Carry this energy with you into the rest of your day, knowing that you are grounded, you are balanced, and you are abundant.